In 1.5.3, it tells us that 2 cards are drawn from a deck without replacement. So that's our key here, is without replacement. And it wants to see, are the events independent? So in part A, we have the 2 events that our first card is a picture card and our second card is a picture card. Now in this one, you can think about this logically, or you can actually try and work it out and prove it. But just thinking about it logically, you say, okay, if our first card is a picture card, then that means for the next card we would have one less picture card to choose from, right? Because in our deck, we have 12 picture cards total. So our first time, we would only, if we want probability that the first is picture, then that would be 12 out of 52 that are possible. The probability of the second picture, though, okay, well, that's going to change a little bit, because your first card could either be a picture or the first card could be not a picture. Those were our 2 possibilities, right? So if our first card is a picture card, then for our second picture card, we only have 11 out of 51 to choose from. But if our first card was not a picture card, we would still have 12 picture cards, but there would only be 51 to choose from. So notice how these probabilities changed. The probability of a picture card overall is 12 out of 52. But for our second card, if we already got one picture card, it's 11 out of 51. But if we didn't get a picture card, it's 12 out of 51. So those probabilities are changing. So we know that it is dependent. They're affecting each other. Now sometimes it's helpful to draw a tree diagram. I would have drawn a tree diagram like this. So for our first card, you could either have picture or not picture. For your second card, you could either have a picture or not picture. And your second card is either picture or not picture. Sometimes that will just help you visualize it a little bit. And so again, whether or not we pick a picture for our first card will affect how many picture cards are left over for the second time.